am Dr. K.R.S. Prasad, Dean, Student Affairs, KL University. Student Affairs Office is taking care of discipline, hostels, transport, Student Activity Center. Under Student Activity Center, we have literary clubs, technical clubs, hobby clubs, then NCC, NSS, YRC, Women's Forum, etc. These are all under Student Activity Center. So discipline is the hallmark of the university. So we give utmost priority to the discipline. So we have 20,000 students on the campus. So we try to follow the tradition of our Indian system. So we have students from different parts of the globe. So every student has given that freedom to follow their tradition. So for whatever the requirements from student affairs required for students, that we will extend. We try to see that their stay is comfort in the university. We have students from North India and other states, other countries of the world, like Nepal, Tanzania, etc., Afghanistan. Then next comes sports. So we have a good number of students participating in various competitions at national and international levels. So one of the best achievement in sports category is Miss Jyoti Surekha, who received Arjuna Award. She is a good archer and she has received Arjuna Award from the President of India. So that is one of the biggest achievement. She is the youngest sports player to receive that award. And in addition to that, we have a good number of players participating at different tournaments at national and international level. So university is encouraging the students to participate in all the competitions conducted at different places inside the India, outside the India. And in addition to that, we also offer sports certificate for second year students. It is mandatory for all the students. They have to register for one sport and game, and they have to play in the afternoon twice in a week, and they have to clear that examination. It is mandatory for all the second year students to engage them in sports. Thereby that will be useful for them in their future careers. We have good hostel facilities for all the students, both boys and girls separate hostels. So 8,500 girls, boys and girls are staying in different blocks. So 4,000 plus girls are staying and nearly 4,000 plus boys are staying on the campus. So we have all the facilities, different types of rooms like AC, non-AC, etc., attached, etc. So we have all the types of students also from North India, and international students are also staying on the campus. So we have separate menus for them. We have South Indian mess, North Indian mess, international mess separately. As per their requirements, we are providing the dishes for them. The hygiene, everything is maintained, and we have our own bakery also. So the items required for students are prepared by ourselves and will be supplied to the students. So like that, hygiene wise, neatness wise, everything is taken care when we supply food to the students. So our library is opened up to 12 a.m. in the night. So students, particularly who are staying in hostel, can utilize that facility. Daytime they will be busy in attending class work, or evenings in playing games, etc. So after once they finish their dinner, they can go to library and use the facility. 24/7 security is there on the campus. In addition to that, we have vigilance officers also, so who are retired army people. So they will be working on the campus around the clock. Security in hostels also provided all the time, 24/7. Then we have to encourage the students to participate in extracurricular activities, co-curricular activities. We have Student Activity Center where they can be a part of different clubs like technical clubs, hobby clubs, literary clubs, etc. We have nearly 60 plus clubs are there. If any club is not there and student still is interested, he can form his own club. Like that, we can encourage students to be a member of any club, and they can conduct their own programs. In clubs we have to name, we have Nartana Club, Swara Club, Lakhana Club, like that, just to name few. So student, whoever interested in their clubs, as per their interest, as per their hobby, they can be a member and they can conduct programs at university level. And we do every year 2 programs, once in a semester. In odd semester we conduct a technical program, namely Samyak. And in even semester we conduct a cultural festival called Surabhi. So students will be is a part of these two festivals on the campus. They themselves will form a committees and in different domains, and they will be active and participate. They conduct these festivals. So such a freedom is given to the student here. We encourage them, thereby they inculcate leadership qualities in them, and that is useful in their future. So, and in addition to that, in Student Activity Center, we have one important thing is domain is Smart Village Revolution, where students go to the outside villages and they interact with the people, maybe farmers or people staying in that village or students, and they will try to learn their own problems by interacting with them, and they come back and prepare the note on this and interact with the professors available in the university in that area and try to provide a solution to those problems. So Smart Village Revolution is a unique system in the university to help the nearby villages. Like that, we have 100 adopted villages around the university, and our students will visit those places and they interact with the people and come with different solutions. So that's how they are helping the society also. In addition to these clubs, we have this NCC. We have two battalions. One is Tenandra Battalion, is exclusively for girl cadets, girl students, and another one is another battalion is 22 Andhra Battalion, in which both boys and girls are there. So as on date, we have 200 plus 250 cadets are there, and they are conducting drills thrice in a week, 3 days in a week regularly. And also they are participating in different competitions conducted by the battalions. And we have our cadets proved at national level. So our cadets participated in RDC, Republic Day Camp, which will be conducted at Delhi. In addition to this RDC camp, our students are participating in different camps conducted by the battalion from time to time at national level, and we also organize or hold some kind of camps at our university. So our university is hosting some kind of camps. So to name, this one is this trekking camp, the other one is the Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, that is the popular camp named by the government of India. So that we have conducted recently in the month of May 2024. So, and we have rifle simulator also there here, that is useful for cadets to practice their firing. Entire Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, we have that facility at our university. So we are very fortunate to have that facility at our university. Then we go to NSS, that is National Service Scheme. So here we have 20 units in our campus. So each unit consists of 100 students. So 2000 students are members of this NSS. So they are also doing a wonderful job. They are out of these 12 are sponsored by the government of India. Student Affairs Office help the student. We are the facilitators for the student on the campus. So whatever he wants from the university, that we see that that facility is reached to him. That's all.